Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Beestrong Prostate Care Nasal Therapy Inhaler. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just an inhaler for your nasal care. So this is what it looks like. We have it here open up on Amazon. So as you can see, 98% of users, daily and nightly toilet visits, urinary urgency and frequent urination, inflammatory molecules and in the prostate areas. So this helps with that. Revitalize your prostate health. All natural, improved circulation, simple method, and nasal inhaler stick. So if you're wondering if this is legit or not, let's read some reviews here. So this person said, this product is a joke. No serve, scrap, not good, do not buy. So please guys, I would advise you to do some more research if you actually want to buy this product, since how can you improve your nasal, or your prostate health just by inhaling something? I don't see the science behind that. So before you buy this, I would advise you to do some more research, or do not buy this at all. I would advise you to seek medical help or professional help actually, then rather than buying something right like this off the internet. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.